Hi, I'm Jared.
And I'm Lizzie.
And this is the J&L Show. Today in this segment,
we've taken 37 straws.
That's right, 37 straws.
Doesn't seem like a lot.
And we've connected every single one of them.
And trust me, it's a lot.
It really is.
So, we've connected 37 straws. And you can't see what we are going to drink out of it. So, take a look. We got all these straws.
Wait. Okay.
Are you ready for this, Lizzie?
I'm so ready. Okay, now I'm going to drink out of it. Okay?
Okay. Here we go.
I got some.
You got it?
See? Okay, I got it.
Okay.
So, 37 straws. Who knew they could be so much fun?
All right.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.